Cultural Centre valve, center valve, center valve, 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 valve. Cultural Centre valve is a cultural centre in the Pokkinen neighbourhood in Oulu, Finland. The cultural centre provides spaces for a variety of cultural activities. There are 2 theatre stages, a cinema, galleries, workshops, and other spaces in the building. The valve has got the second largest film library in Finland. The film library, as well as the cinema studio, are operated by the Oulu Film Centre. Northern Photographic Centre has got its office and galleries in the Cultural Centre. History of the building. The Great Oulu Fire of 1882 destroyed the building located on the lot of the Cultural Centre. A tradesman, K.J. Granberg, built the first 2 floors of the building after the fire in 1883-1884 according to the plans by architect Johan Liebeck. The city of Oulu bought the building after Granberg was declared bankrupt. The city hired the architect office Gran, Hedman and Wasisjärna to plan an expansion of the building to be the new city hall. The building was widened and raised with 1 floor in 1893-1894. In addition to the municipal offices, the building also hosted the Trade and Industry School of Oulu and the police station. In the 1950s, prison cells were built near the building, and from 1953, the building was entirely turned into police station. The police station was relocated in the 1980s. The building was renovated as a youth and cultural center called New Ku by the city of Oulu in 1987-1989. The prison cells were replaced with a new modern building in 1992. In 2007, the youth activities moved into the nearby buildings, and the center was renamed to Valve.